Hi, I'm Uday Agarwal, fourth year student from Band University. I and my teammate Mudasir Ali is working on a project named Skill Hire. Skill Hire is a platform where you can get hired based on your skills or your past projects. If we take a deeper look into how companies hire candidates or how they shortlist candidates, so initially company took out a Google form which interested students have to fill. After after when the Google form deadline is passed, companies shortlist students based on their resumes, and these shortlisted students or candidates get an assessment link. If it is a product-based company, they get candidates get an assessment link, and they have to complete that assessment in 1 week. If they're if the quality of candidate assessment is great, reliable, then the company shortlists those students and pass on to the next round, which is an interview round. Getting shortlisted for this assessment is tough. So we are building a platform from where companies can shortlist students if the student has already worked on their idea in the past. Like, assume you want to work in a Tesla and you have built a self-driving car in your college project. So getting hired you as a software engineer in Tesla will be great, as you have already worked on their idea. You know more you know more about how and what other things should be done in a self-driving car to improve that. So using this, we have built a platform where you can get hired based on your past projects or skills. Other thing is, like, student doesn't students are not able to get real feedbacks on their projects when they are in college or they are building a personal project. So we have built a platform where you can get real feedbacks from your friends or followers on your, on your projects, and then you can improve that. So yeah, now Ali will showcase you our websites and how it works. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Mudassir Ali. I hope Uday have given you the introduction of our product. Let's not waste much time. Let's get into the working model of our product.
Hello everyone. So let's get on to the working of our product. So the product we have made is a website, which is nothing but the title of our product is Skill Hire, and the baseline of our product is Get Hired based on your skills, which is nothing but it's a platform that helps students to get hired in top companies based on their relevant projects, experience slash skills. So this is our main landing page where the main goal and objective of our product is to make people industry ready right from their engineering career, and also to help them choose right set of projects in order to gain their industry level experience. So uh, when coming onto a platform, you have two set of customers or two set of users rather. One is nothing but our students and the other is companies, okay, who are companies which who are nothing but company HRs who come to our platform on behalf of their respective companies. So let's see student profile. So here is the student profile, which looks similar to this, where we have a profile where the user is prompted to enter their profile details, which is nothing but the basic profile details, your contact location, designation, and your bio. So here he can update, and the most important thing is the projects one, which the student has to mention in order to match to the relevant job post, and the tags are more important because based on these tags only the first screening takes place, and the same applies with the experience also. So you need to give certain inputs that where have you worked on, what kind of role, and what are the skills that you have possessed during those during the time of your internship or the job. And also while submitting a profile, you also need to write your relevant skills, your social media links and achievements using these links. So let's just go on to our company profile, our another set of users. Uh, so this is how the company profile looks. So initially, after logging in, the company HRs log in. So after those login, here are the company. You'll get the company HR details. These are nothing but the sample view page, which looks similar to this. And here is our company name, company logo, and also here you can edit your company profile details and all, and email, website, logo, and also the social media handles and everything. And plus, you will also need to submit job postings and all. Need to post your jobs for this. So here are some relevant examples for this company. There's a position of software engineer, quality analyst, quality assurance, the location, and what are the features of these job postings, the category, and what are the tags and skills that are required, that are necessary for this job description and all. So when you see the post job, so it looks over here, it looks similar to this, where the company HRs are prompted to enter these details along with the tags and the hiring start date. So this is pretty much about the job postings and all. And so let's get into the this is the page of where you can find relevant jobs which matches to your skills. Okay, so this is nothing but your job title and at which company that the job and by which company the job description is posted, and also the location and what are the categories and all. So the thing to notice here is you will get a notification when you apply that you have to mention that which project of yours is very much relevant to the job postings that you apply, such that we can easily match, and then you can easily get shortlisted to the companies.